Today we have the loser. Not really a loser, but you know what I mean. So we have Red Bahamut versus Scythe and Chain. So the contact about these two is like these bladers, the user for this Beyblade, they never win. I mean, this guy just never really win. The user is Blind Devoy, I believe his name, or Blindt Devoy, or Blind or Blindt, I forget. So Blind Devoy, he actually never win. He lose. Like the GT series, he never win. Like seriously, he never win in GT series. Like he win once just to get 1 point, and then he dead. And then he lose by a burst finish from Diablos, I believe. So yeah, he never win. Okay, seriously, he never actually win. So sad, you know what I mean? And yeah, for X, for now, you Bert Kazami never win. I mean, at this time recording, we are in episode 20, so I don't know in future, maybe Bert win. I mean, obviously he will win, but you know, he never win at this time recording, you know. Again, for now, and at this time recording, we are in episode 21. So, and Bert never win for now. For now, so maybe in future, obviously, Bert will win one time. So, yeah, that's the context about this video. So let's get started. We have Red Bahamut versus Scythe. So let's see who's going to win. Red to Bahamut. Scythe. Come on, you both never win a match in anime. In your story, I feel so bad for you guys, but come on. Yeah, seriously, Red Bahamut never win at all. I mean, he unlock Dark Turbo, but he never win. That's so sad, to be honest. Holy shit. Yeah, Red to Bahamut. Scythe. There you go. Scythe might win because you know it's has also this is last game, so it's a pretty much equalizing battle. So if you guys ask me, okay. Oh shit, he used this guy first. Oh shit, no. Scythe. Oh, Bahamut. Okay, so if you guys wondering why not Ragnarok, I mean Ragnarok win at least one battle, I believe. But I think Ragnarok win sometimes, but he always lose. But he wins sometimes. Okay, maybe 1 or 2 round Ragnarok win. So yeah, but Blind Boy, he never win. He never win. Okay. Big. Oh shit. So yeah, I think Rocket is most hardest big worst. But in Dynamics, even though it can't, it's super special movement. So yeah, anyway, come on, come on, come on, bro. Last time. Okay. Yeah. Equalization. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1, go. Red to Bahamut. Chain. I love Chain. He's so cool. Yeah. Okay. Alright. That's strong hit. That's really strong hit, bro. Okay, it's time for equalization. Alright. Nice. Oh, what? Let me launch this guy first. There's a Bahamut. There we go. SP dash, another SP dash. That's beautiful SP dash. Come on. Chain. Smash it. Let the wall frame there. Okay, maybe not. Oh wow, equalization. Oh no, this equalization is so alright, a little. Oh my god. Oh yeah? That's a lot of hits, bro. That's why I like Chain, it's so good. Go Chain, you're my favorite balance type, bro. Sorry, Unicorn, but Chain is my favorite. Come on, bro. Get it. Come on. Oh, here you'll win a quick launch. Strong launch. Let's see if Red Bahamut can do this still. Maybe it worked. Get it away, son. Alright, come on, go. There you go, weak launch health chain. Cool, weak launch. Oh wow, you finally win. Bahamut, health side, health chain. Health chain. Health chain. Alright, there you go. The power of Bird Kazami! Health chain win because I launched it late. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. So let's do it again. Roar, Bahamut! Yeah, Scythe! Yeah! Chain! Oh no, don't kill your brother. Don't kill your brother, bro, please. Be polite. Now Hell Chain versus Red Bahamut. Wow. Okay. Go shoot. 3, 2, 1. Go shoot. 3, 2, 1. Go shoot. There you go. Come on. Oh, don't kill your brother. You do this twice. What the heck? That's not good. Wow. Helchi. Bro, Helchi is so good. Underrated bait. Let's do it again. This time we'll launch this guy first. Helchi. Red Bahamut. Scythe. Damn it. Helchi. Roar Bahamut. Sorry, Red Bahamut. Holy shit, win, bro, what the hell? Whoa, Red Bahamut win for the first time. Hell chain. Red Bahamut. Hell side. Oh, wow, the script. There you go, this one I want to see. Oh, no, don't kill your brother again. Holy shit. Hell side. Red Bahamut. Oh my god, it's gonna be insane. Come on, Red Bahamut win! Oh wait, no. Okay, so that's guys for today's video. This battle is pretty interesting. So yeah, Red Bahamut, this guy is his master. Okay, this is Bird Sifu of losing babe. Okay, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.